Welcome to Broken Britain 2023, a country on the brink of recession. The Great Britain is in a great mess. It is drowning in a cocktail of crises. A crippling cost of living crisis, crumbling infrastructure, medical staff on strike, a looming recession. All this is squeezing the life out of the people. I'm not saying this. Look at this study. The findings have been published in the journal Bmj Public Health. They say the cost of living crisis will probably cause thousands of premature deaths in the United Kingdom. The crisis is so bad that it's literally cutting life short. Millions of Britons are battling levels of inflation not seen since the 1970s. The war in Ukraine, pandemic fallout, Brexit, all these have been cited as reasons for Britain's problems. But at the heart of it is poor economic policy and governance. Schools are crumbling, literally. When Britain's second biggest city effectively declares itself bankrupt, shutting down all essential services, it begs the question, is the Great Britain going broke? Does the government have any money to spend? Today, the Great Britain is making headlines not for its quality of life or its healthcare, but for cutting the life of Britons short. Just look at the country's healthcare system, the National Health Service. Ambulance services with record-long waiting times, never-ending strikes from healthcare professionals, 1 million appointments cancelled, life-saving surgeries put on hold, diagnostic tests delayed. The UK's cost of living crisis is impacting people's mental health too.
The number on the list in England actually went up again. It stands at nearly 7.7 million, yet another record.
In Oxfordshire, John was supposed to have an operation on a hiatus hernia yesterday. It was cancelled with just days' notice.
Being told the operation's been cancelled due to emergencies, but I also think, well, at what point, I've been suffering for 4 years, at what point does my health and my condition get taken into account?
The number of patients like John waiting for planned hospital treatment in England now stands at 7.7 million, a new record. This year, numbers could have actually fallen slightly had it not been for 885,000 operations cancelled as a result of strikes over below-inflation pay.